Hey wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. So what you're gonna need is some string, some wool, and a detangling brush. So I'm just going to brush through the hair. And then I'm gonna take a small section from the front and braid it. Thereafter, I'm gonna put the silver string. As you brush your hair for the ponytail, make sure that none of the weft is showing because we want our ponytail to be neat. And then what I'm going to do is just braid the ponytail with the wool. And as you braid it with the wool, just braid it in a way that the wool will be at the top of the braid instead of the bottom, so that we can have that spring kind of vibe. Oh, and one more thing, don't tie the ponytail too tight because then when you put it on your head, it's not going to fit that well. So yeah, that's just basically it. This is the final look. Do make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.